In today's video I'm going to be servicing a Nukeproof Horizon pedal. I've already changed all the pins. I've done it once but the bush needs doing, so I'm going to do this one showing you how to replace the bush. It's a bit of a pig, and I get on with the video. The Horizon pedals I've got now, this one I've not done the bush. I've done all the pins but the bush. If you wiggle it from side to side, you can feel the slight play in the bush and how fast it spins because it's that loose. This one I've replaced the bush in, done all the pins, this one's serviced, and how much tighter it is now, no play. So in this you're going to need some grease. I've got waterproof grease as where it's near the floor all the time, so it's getting covered. You'll need a 6mm, 8mm and a 10mm Allen key. You need a 9mm socket, a lump hammer, your service kit, which has got your bush, your bearings, your seal and your lock nut to go on the end. This is the bushing service tool. It says you've got this to get out. I can put it in with that, but I couldn't get it out. And they send you like a tap, you screw that in and then knock it out, which is a bit of a pig. I'll try that first, see if it comes out. It didn't on that one. And I'll send the links to that and the bushing kit. With that you get all the fresh pins so it will feel excellent after. Right, so take it apart now. It's a 6mm Allen key first. Take the cover off. It's like a dust seal. Put that to the side. And then it's the with an 8mm Allen key on the other side. I found the easiest way to put it flat and then that's it. I've just had this apart so it will come apart easy. It just needs the bush doing. That in a bit. Alright, and then that just pulls out. Get rid of the old seal. And there's the two bearings. We've got a fresh bearing so they can come out. They're just really loose in. And then the bush is on the other side, which is on the shaft side. So you should be able to put that in, tilt and pull, and it never comes out. They show you on brand new pedals, but these are no. This works. If you've not got a tap and die set, 10mm socket on the end and a 10mm Allen key. And thread straight through it all. Pins are a bit sharp now. I did this in the vise with the other one, but I'm not bothering with the vise. I'll try it. Most people don't have a vise, do they, at home? So if I can put that through, that'll make it a bit easier on me. There we are. keep going, eventually you'll feel the seal, the shim slip. There we are, it's gone. That's grabbed it now. Now this is where you need your, let's try with an okay, that's a bit better. Are they coming? There we go. Seems brutal, but it does the job. And there's the old bush out. So it doesn't do any damage, it just locks onto that and then pulls that. So that's the old bush off. So we'll give this a good clean now. Like I say, this one's been clean once before, I've already done it. But I haven't took the bush out. Like I say, if you got a vice, all I did before was put it on top of the vice, hit it, and it comes straight out. But on your knees, it's not as much shock. So if you have got a vice, right, that's that. And then it's put it back together now, which is your fresh bush, which is on that side. One side's threaded, so it's on the opposite side to the thread. Stick that on the tool. And then where the top mark is here, that's where you knock it down to. There we are, so that's your guide as well, where to put the seal to. And that's it, that's in. Put a bit of grease on now. Don't need that much. Don't make any harm. Like I said, I've used waterproof grease. And if any water gets in, it's not doing it any harm. And then look on which side's got the threads on and which side's the bush. That's the bush. Bit of grease on here now for the new seal. Get your new seal, which that one's filthy, so you should know that the new ones, I'll keep them both separate, then you'll know. So the flange will go against the pedal, and that seals the pedal, and there's a curved bit there which goes against the curve here. Put the seal on. The new seal is nice and tight compared to the old sloppy one. I know you should have gloves on, but it's a pain putting gloves on. Just give my hands a good wash in a minute when I'm done. Right, look which side's got the threads on. Right, the threads are on that side, so the bush goes this side. The two bearings, just put a little tiny bit of grease on them. Socket with the nut in. little bit of grease in there. Put the lock cap on, and that tensions everything up as well. Right there. Non-service pedal, no playing it now. Just get your cloth and give it a good clean. Pins are easy enough. The tip on putting the pedals back on and taking them off. Everyone, including me, used to get confused with left hand threads and right hand threads, which way do you turn them. But the easiest tip is when you're undoing the pedals, the bike's like that, innit? So you've got both, you've got a right hand thread and a left hand thread. So when you're undoing them, get your spanner on, or Allen key, so that's an Allen key, to the back of the bike with that one, and then do same with the other side, and do to the back of the bike. So they're both right hand thread, left hand thread. So you like to say you get confused, but if you turn them both this way to unlock, or if you've got a spanner, so it's a spanner to the back of the bike to undo, both of them to the back, and then to tighten back up to the front, both of them to the front, and you can't get confused then. Instead of wondering which way does this one go, they both go the same way and both go the same way. That's what the left hand thread does. It makes them so they're both equal. Not making any sense? You find it much easier that. So undo, turn them to the back of the bike, tighten up, turn them both to the front of the bike, and you're not getting confused anymore with that. I think that's about it. So with new pins in now, hot plate done, they're like brand new. These run about 1400 mile. And I've got another set here, I've just done these as well, the Sam Mill ones. They need tapping though, because the pins come out on them. Right, thanks for watching, see you again, I hope that helps someday.